for natural numbers x, y and z if x, y plus yz is equal to 19. So we can simplify this and take y common. This is x plus z is equal to 19. And then we have the second equation as yz plus xz is equal to 51, or taking z common, we have x plus y is equal to 51. Now, what are these numbers? These are natural numbers. Now, what do we know about natural numbers? All counting numbers are known as natural numbers, and these counting always start from 1. So the natural number sequence is the easiest one, 1, 2, 3, 4. It will continue. So when we talk about natural numbers, we are not talking about numbers in points or decimals, right? Basics of it. Now, we are looking out for the minimum possible value of the product of these three values, that is x, y and z. Now, let's pay attention here. We have two terms. If we look at it as two terms, y into this whole value will give me the value as 19. 19 is a prime number. So if you want to break this down, it can only be broken down as 1 into 19. Now, 1 and 19 must be the two parts. Can you say 19 and 1 could be this part? So x plus z cannot be equal to 1 because the smallest value is 1 for natural numbers. Had this been the value for whole numbers, we could have taken that into consideration. But as of now, we have to take exactly this as our 1 and these two summation as 19. Now from here, we get the exact value of y, which is nothing but 1. Exact. Now we also have a relation which says x plus y or x plus z is equal to 19. Okay. Now let's try and look at the next equation that we have here. In place of y, can I use 1? So this should be z x plus 1. This is equal to 51. Now let's try and break down 51. 51 can be broken down as, so we can break this down as 17, 17 into 2, 17 into 3, 17 into 3. 17 is again prime. So we can write this as either z being 17 and these two becoming equal to 3, or we can write z as 3 and x plus 1 as 17. Yes or no? Two possibilities here. Okay, let's try and solve both of them and see what do we have here. Okay, if we take this z to be 17, now x would naturally be 2 here. So we have the value from this first equation as y is 1, z is 17 and x is 2. Now what is the product of x, y, z? Is 2 into 1 into 17, which is 34. Okay, now let's try and solve the next one. We have z as 3, y as 1 and x as 16 here, because x plus 1 is 17. Now, what is the value of product x plus y plus z? This is 16 into 1 into 3, which is 48. Now we are looking out for the minimum possible value. The minimum possible value seems to be 34, and therefore we'll ignore this because this is not the minimum. This seems to be the minimum possible value of product. 34 would be the correct fit here. I hope this helps.